Clutches, I tell it anybody. I think you're responsible by that. God, Barnett is trash. Fuck Barnett.
The only problem I had with this bad boy, with this bad girl right here, was that Barnett Clutch. It wasn't Indian, it was Barnett. It's their fault. Now,
aftermarket. Barnett Clutch been around 100 years, and you should have known not to fuck with a Barnett.
And you the second person this week that told me that.
Come on, man. I'm raced, bro. I think it's fast fucking hard.
Know what I'm saying? So, for the dude on Facebook, let me turn this camera on me. For the dude on Facebook that talked all that shit to me, cursed me out, said your mechanic is a piece of shit and all of that, Barnett Clutches, fuck you, motherfucker, and I'm making this shit go viral.
Don't hold back, say what you really mean.
He said it, bro.
I said it.
Praise the Lord. And pass the ammunition.
What up, y'all? Big Gans, the Gangster Lifestyle. Back at it again. You know what it is. I'm out here making it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? I just want to come to y'all and talk to y'all about the problems that I had with Barnett Clutches. The Barnett Clutches. Now, like I said, if you saw my video the other day, I talked a little bit about that Barnett clutch, and I put it in the bike back around May, June of last year. And like I said, from day one, that clutch was giving me problems, right? So the clutch went out on the bike. First of all, let me tell y'all exactly what happened, why I was dealing with clutch problems in the first place. There was an Indian dealership here in Staten Island, New York, right? So after I bought the bike, you know, you're supposed to bring it in for your first 1,000-mile service. So instead of bringing it all the way back to Jersey, where I purchased it from, which is what I should have did, I brought the bike to Gotham Motorcycles here in Staten Island, New York, and they since have closed down. But they put some parts on the bike for me, which I had ordered, and they were supposed to do the first service, which you know is change the oil, adjust the clutch cable, and some other stuff, right? So after I got the bike back, riding the bike, right, coming from work, and the clutch went out. You know, it wouldn't shift into gear or anything. So I called the roadside service, and I brought the bike back to Gotham. When I got it there, they said, "Oh, they not touching that clutch." I said, "What do you mean you're not touching the clutch? Y'all just worked on the clutch. Y'all just adjusted it and everything." He was like, "Yo, we're not touching that clutch." He said, "You put those KST handlebars on there. Let me show you that." He said, you put those handlebars on the bike. Those aren't the factory handlebars, so we're not touching the clutch." Right? Now this is what he told me after they were supposed to adjust the clutch cable, right? So long story short, I told him, "Okay, y'all go fuck yourself." Towed the bike back to where I bought it from, Motorcycle Mall in Belleville, New Jersey, right? They looked at it. They said, "Mr. Gans, they didn't do anything to this bike. They didn't change the oil. They didn't adjust the clutch cable. They didn't do anything." So they serviced the bike and under warranty fixed the clutch. They didn't replace the clutch plates, but they had it to where they put a Band-Aid on it to where it was working again. It was rideable, and they inspected it. They had a tech from Indian come out and inspect it, and Didn't have any problems with it, right? For 3 years. So last year, riding with my cousin down to Monmouth, New Jersey, Indian of Monmouth out there. He wanted to service his bike at that dealership. So we rode out there, and you know, I questioned them about installing the Lloyd's flash, and by this time I was feeling a little slippage in the clutch. So they inspected it. They said, yeah, you got to change that clutch, it's about to go, right? Which I expected it, because like I said, they only put a band-aid on it, but the band-aid lasted for 3 years. So at Indian of Monmouth, he suggested the Barnett Clutche. He said he got it in his bike. It's an upgrade. He said you're going to get more power out of the motorcycle and all of that. So I did that. Went with the Barnett Clutche. I ordered it, and I had my personal mechanic install the clutch. And he told me at the time, you need to he said this clutch is gonna work, but you got to bring it back to me. He said it's some clutch hub, some other stuff inside the clutch that he had to replace, right? Fast forward, riding down to Manassas, Virginia for State Burners annual party, right? I was feeling some slippage in the clutch on the way there. So I said, okay, just probably the clutch cable need to be adjusted. I wasn't thinking nothing of it at the time. And so one of the dudes who I rode down with, he works on bikes. He looked at it. He said, listen, when we get a little bit more time before we leave Virginia, I'm gonna he said I'm gonna adjust it, and I'm gonna adjust it, and it should be good. So I didn't want to wait for him. So because I don't know what type of ride, this was as soon as we got down there. I didn't want to wait for him. So I Googled, was there any Indian dealerships close to where we was at? And it was Indian of Dulles, Virginia. And so I brought the bike to them. They inspected it. They said, yeah, it's a little play in the clutch cable. So they adjusted the clutch cable. Bike was riding fine. This was in June. In July, I was riding up to Harlem. Was it July? No, it was August. It was in August. Riding up to Harlem. There was a motorcycle event going on up there for Harlem Week, right? And clutch went out right at the George Washington Bridge. So I'm like, yo, what is going on with this clutch, right? Tow the bike back to Staten Island. Bring it to my mechanic. He said, Gans, this clutch is totally burnt out, right? He said, I told you needed to replace whatever, the clutch hub and all of that stuff. So I'm thinking that's why the clutch burnt out, because those parts needed to be replaced. So ordered all the parts. Ordered a Barnett clutch. Ordered the clutch hub from Indian. Everything. The whole package. Right? But it was another Barnett clutch that I ordered. So he installed it. Good to go. Right? Riding up to the Bronx for another event. We go through Jersey. Same thing. We get to the George Washington Bridge. I don't know. Maybe it's something about that George Washington Bridge. I don't know. But clutch burnt out again. Slippage. It's not. Put it in gear. It's not going. Not getting nothing. Tow the bike back to Staten Island. Right? Install another Barnett clutch. No, didn't install another Barnett clutch because I had already installed another one. So this was two. This was two Barnett clutches that I installed, right? So he said I don't know what's going on with this clutch. This is what my mechanic said. So you know what? I said, listen, I'm gonna bring this bike. I'm gonna put it up for now. This was in late September. I said I'm gonna put it up for now, and we'll get a hold of that clutch in the off season. I'm gonna bring it to Indian and let them look at it. Let them deal with it, right? Fast forward to February. Towed the bike over to Motorcycle Mall, Belleville, New Jersey. Lead mechanic at Motorcycle Mall. He's certified Indian. His name is Paul. He's one of the premier Indian motorcycle mechanics in the New York, New Jersey area, right? He took it apart, looked at it. He said, what you want to do? I said, put the factory clutch back in this bike. Because I spoke to a couple people and they said they had problems with Barnett clutches. Guys who rode Indians and Victories. Shout out to my man Butter, the one you hate. That's his name. You can find him on Instagram under that moniker, Butter, the one you hate. Right? He put a Barnett clutch. He has Indian Pursuit. At the time he had an Indian Challenger. He put a Barnett clutch in his bike, burnt out. Right? He said, F that. I'm not going through all these changes. He just went and he put another clutch in it and just traded in the bike. Went and got 2023 or 2024 Pursuit. I think it was 2023 Pursuit, right? So I told Paul over at Motorcycle Mall, put the factory clutch back in this bike. So they did everything that they had to do, put the new factory clutch in the bike. You know, that's what we got going on now. He said we got to replace the bearings in the shifter. So right now it's sticking between first and second gear. But I'm bringing it back to Motorcycle Mall tomorrow. They just called me today. They got all the parts in. Bringing it back to Motorcycle Mall tomorrow, and they're gonna install those parts. Right? But let me say this, and I'm gonna post another video that I took at Shaolin Riders the other day. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna attach it along with this video. So watch all the way to the end, and you'll see that video. Or I might put it at the beginning of the video. Either way, Indian motorcycle. Even if you got a Harley, Honda, whatever, normal street riding, do not put a Barnett clutch in your motorcycle. Now Barnett can come at me. They can do what they want to do. I don't care. I'm trashing the Barnett company and their clutches on this video. So you can come after me with whatever you want to say. The dude from whatever race team that cursed me out over Barnett clutches on Facebook, you can look at the video and say what you want to say. F you too. And F you to Barnett. You hearing it from the Gangster Lifestyle. Do not, I repeat, do not put a Barnett clutch in your bike. The guys who were talking the other day, I'm going to post that video to, I'm going to post that video along with this video, like I said. They were drag racing bikes, right? On a race team, on the track. And they told me Barnett clutches are crap, right? So, you hearing it from the Gangster Lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? Share this video to other motorcycle riders, you know, let them see it. And so, once again, do not install a Barnett clutch into your motorcycle. Save yourself some money. If you're going to change the clutch, go with the regular factory clutch, and if need be, change the springs, but stick with the factory clutch. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it is. I'm Big Gans, the Gangster Lifestyle. Yo, like the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel. You know what? Hit that motherfucker super chat. You know what I'm saying? Channel's monetized now. Hit the super chat. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Big Gans, the Gangster Lifestyle. I'm mixing the motorcycle. Like I said, we making it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Once again, Big Gans, the Gangster Lifestyle. I'm out. Like and subscribe.
I need you to say one more time about that Barnett clutch.
Barnett is bullshit. Look, if you're gonna do a clutch, stick with a fucking stock clutch.
Stock clutch.
Stick with a stock clutch.
That's it.
There you go.
That's what I said.
There you go. So you heard it. You heard it. You heard it. Gangster Lifestyle. Do not
put a Barnett clutch in an Indian. Don't put a Barnett clutch in a Harley. Don't put a Barnett clutch in a BMW, Honda. Matter of fact, leave them motherfuckers alone. Leave them for the racetrack.
Put a Barnett clutch back in the box.
Okay. Back in the box.